Hello and welcome to yet another video of Cornerstones of Math. Today we are going to rationalize the denominator of 1 divided by square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 6. And the thing is, this generally gets quite lengthy and tedious to the point that it gets boring. So I had to adjust these numbers a little bit so that the process becomes much shorter and simpler. This increased simplicity comes from the fact that 2 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 5. I will explain shortly after how we can use this observation to our advantage. Normally we use this formula where we multiply square root of a minus square root of b on both numerator and denominator. But we have 4 radical terms instead of 2, so we first group these terms by 2. And in order to utilize the hint that 2 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 5, we group like square root of 2 plus square root of 6 and square root of 3 plus square root of 5. Then we can multiply square root of 2 plus square root of 6 minus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 on both numerator and denominator. You see, like this. Which gives, we can write the numerator as square root of 2 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 5 plus square root of 6. And the denominator is square root of 2 plus square root of 6 squared minus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 squared. So we have square root of 2 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 5 plus square root of 6 divided by, first we have 8 plus 2 square root of 12, then we have 8 plus 2 square root of 15. And here, notice how 8 in the denominator gets cancelled out because of our nicely given numbers. This leaves only 2 terms in the denominator instead of usual 3. Here, 2 square root of 12 is equal to 4 square root of 3, so we can write this divided by 4 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 15, which we can take out 2 and write 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 15. And here we multiply 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 15 on both numerator and denominator. Here, let's expand the numerator by applying the distributive law, which we can write 2 square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 2 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 5 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 15 multiplied by square root of 2 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 5 plus square root of 6, and the denominator is 2 times 2 square root of 3 squared minus square root of 15 squared. So in the numerator we have 2 square root of 6 minus 6 minus 2 square root of 15 plus 2 square root of 18 plus square root of 30 minus square root of 45 minus square root of 75 plus square root of 90, and the denominator is 2 times 12 minus 15. Here, using that square root of 18 equals 3 square root of 2, square root of 45 is equal to 3 square root of 5, and square root of 75 is equal to 5 square root of 3. Oh, and square root of 90 equals 3 square root of 10. We have 2 square root of 6 minus 2 square root of 15 plus 6 square root of 2 plus square root of 30 minus 3 square root of 5 minus 5 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 10, and the denominator is negative 6. So if we use the positive denominator 6, then at the numerator we have first the natural number 6, then starting from square root of 2 terms and moving on to bigger radicals, we have minus 6 square root of 2, then 5 square root of 3, then 3 square root of 5, then minus 2 square root of 6, then minus 3 square root of 10, then plus 2 square root of 15, and finally minus square root of 30. Or if you want to split into individual fractions, You can also write this as 1 minus square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 3 divided by 6 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 minus square root of 6 divided by 3 minus square root of 10 divided by 2 plus square root of 15 divided by 3, then minus square root of 30 divided by 6. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.